On the other side of the storm is the strength that comes from having navigated through it. Raise your sail and begin. A very good afternoon, everyone, to yet another memorable day of Scottish High International. I welcome you all to the investiture ceremony of the Student Council 2021-22. The above quoted lines amplify how we all are at Scottish High International School. We are here to celebrate leadership instilled with a sense of pride, accountability, and above all, the strong belief to empower one another. These attributes can help a leader hold the helm even when the sea is rough. In these unnatural times, where every aspect has a virtual reality attributed to it, the Highlanders stand tall, meeting all the challenges cast at them. I'm extremely honored to welcome our school director, Mrs. Sudha Goyal, our senior school principal, Dr. Sanjay Sachdeva, our valuable parents, teachers, and dear students. Our school director, Mrs. Sudha Goyal, she challenges the Highlanders to expand their thinking horizons beyond the average and strive for excelling in all the tasks undertaken by them. Sudha ma'am truly symbolizes the role model of one who is dedicated with steadfast purpose, committed to achieving the goal set for the future. It gives me immense pleasure to request ma'am to address the gathering.
Thank you, Isha. Good afternoon, Chairman Sir, my colleagues, parents, and dear Highlanders. I extend a warm welcome to all on this momentous occasion of the Scottish High Investiture Ceremony 2021. As I see the smiling faces of all the Highlanders, they remind me of Jack Welch, who has rightly said, before you are a leader, success is all about growing yourself. When you become a leader, success is all about growing others. Today, in these unprecedented times, as the new Student Council takes the oath and responsibility, I am confident they will take a solemn pledge to carry their school to the zenith of glory, thereby imprinting their indelible contribution in the archives of our school's history. The process of selecting the Students' Council was not easy. The shortlisting of the candidates was based on the scholastics and post-scholastics performances of the students through a 3-tier screening process by a panel of judges including heads of departments, clan elders, and the senior school principal. Nominations were put in by the students of their achievements and contributions for the school. The students had to go through a series of interviews to prove their merit and skills required for the coveted positions. The shortlisted candidates were then examined and assessed by an expert panel made under the directive of our esteemed chairman, sir, headed by the school director. These 38 students holding the office of the Student Council 2021 were the ones found proficient and worthy. The appointments of the clan captains were based on a comprehensive analysis of their contribution and achievements with the consensus of the clan elders, clan parents, and the core management team. Parents, I take this opportunity to congratulate my students as well as their parents who have contributed immeasurably in molding them into the leaders of today. I wish our young leaders the very best of luck for the year ahead and assure them the school management and the staff will always be right beside them, guiding and supporting in all their earnest enterprises and endeavor. So go Highlanders and become the kind of leaders who will have an impact, influence, and will be an inspiration to all. Thank you.
Thank you, Before we begin the investiture ceremony, I would like to request all the students and teachers to keep their videos off. I would also request to only put on your video when your name will be called for the ceremony. Integrity, insight, and inclusiveness are three essential qualities of leadership. The investiture ceremony is one of the first momentous occasions of the school where the newly elected and selected members of the student council are officially vested with their powers and positions. These torchbearers and visionaries of tomorrow, through these responsibilities, are determined to make a difference in the lives of those around them. They uphold the core values of integrity, and commitment, and inspire their successors. Donning the mantle of responsibility, the Student Council pledged to dispense their duties to the best of their abilities and abide by the rules and regulations of the school. May we request the parents of the council members, as their names are called out, to confer upon their wards the sashes and badges of their respective designations. May I please invite the school head boy and the school head girl, Tatva Rawal and Rida Mumtaz. Coming up next, we have the deputy head boy and the deputy head girl, Siddhant Bhardwaj and Sonakshi Pandit. General Secretary, Shubhangi Swain, Arushi Kaur and Gunika Jain. Social Responsibility Captain, Adit Chawla, Rishabh Khanna and Suhani Rastogi. Sports Captain, Ram Kaushik and Tanveer Kumar. Cultural Captains, Naisha and Tarushi Sayal. Social Media Captain, Kunal Devani and Prisha Chaudhary. Coming up next, we have Special Olympic Captains, Krish Goyal and Arin Baswana. Student Counselor Coordinator, we have Tejas Kochar, Raima Dutt and Ishita Rally. Academic Affair Captain, we again have the twin sister and the brother, Aditya Misra, Anandita Misra and Anushka Nayak. IT Captains, we have three Highlanders, Pranvi Jaishankran, Manas Taneja and Yashman Pratap Singh. Inclusive Education Captain, we have Ritika Rajpal. Captain International Affairs, we have Vatsal Jain. Captain Global Awareness, we again have three Highlanders, Srishti Chatterjee, Anhad Singh and Tanisi Soni. Captain Performing Arts, we have Adele Deacon Vincent and Parisa Lal. Captain MUN, we have Alia Roy Kundal. Captain Student Welfare, we have Snigdha Saluja, Neha and Abir Seth. So can we again have a huge round of applause for the Student Council 2021-22. Heartiest congratulations to all the parents and Highlanders. Continuing the felicitation, a Scottish clan is a kinship group among the Scottish people. A clan gives a sense of shared identity to its members. Similarly, at Scottish High, we have four clans named after four clans in Scotland: Anderson, Boyd, Lamont, and MacArthur. Clan Anderson. The motto stands for by honesty and toil. So here I call upon the clan elders Divit Chopra and Finza Agarwal. Clan Boyd, its motto being courage without fear. We have Pratyush Tang and Devyani Kishore. Clan Lamont, the motto being never unprepared. And we have Yash Moitra and Khyati Bridge. Clan MacArthur, its motto being by persevering. Now we call upon Virat Arora and Shifa Bajaj. Although today our deserving students could not do the honor of wearing the school flag or the flags of their respective clans, I am anticipative that this will in no way lessen the feeling of reverence and admiration they have for it. So ladies and gentlemen, here we have the Extended Student Council of Scottish High International School 2021-22. Let's have a huge round of applause once again for all of them. Leadership is a matter of having people look at you and gain confidence, seeing how you react. So as the student council, you must always be the example people follow, exhibiting the capacity of greatness. So let us invite our head boy, Tatva Rawal, and head girl, Rida Mumtaz, to take the oath with our newly elected student council.
We, the Student Council of Scottish High International School, do solemnly swear that we will diligently execute all our duties to the best of our abilities, uphold, promote, and support the ethos,
ideas and activities of our school. We swear to be positive role models and leaders. We would work hard to ensure that our school is taken to the zenith of glory.
Our esteemed school chairman, Dr. Commander Kartikeya Saini, a pragmatic visionary, a mentor for the young guides with the ability to ignite, inspire, and nurture them for future challenges. It's his perseverance and fortitude that has led Team Scottish High sail smoothly through the global pandemic. Sir, may I please request you to enlighten us all with your words? And can I please request everyone to please turn on their cameras?
My dear students of the school council, parents, teachers, ladies and gentlemen. Isha, if I'm audible, just raise your hand.
Yes, sir.
At the very outset, let me congratulate each one of you for this outstanding achievement. All I can tell you is you have all earned it. You have worked very, very hard for what you have achieved today. It is not just today. It is just not a piece of nomination paper. It is not just that interview. It is not just that group discussion. It is years of work and years of support by your parents, which has led you, which has made you reach there. So I must congratulate you first for where you are. And for those of you who have not been able to reach that particular assignment, which probably you thought you would reach, and those of you and your friends who are not a part of the student council of the school are no lesser. Trust me, the world and life out there is much larger and much bigger. The student council of Scottish High is not about the council and not about the students. It is of Scottish High. And that is where the loyalty, friendship, that is where the cooperation, the team spirit, esprit de corps comes for the institution that is Scottish High. And that cannot be by a bunch of teachers, staff, or the student council. It is by the whole school, the whole institution. I'm reminded of an anecdote of the World War II, when the Allied forces set up to land at the beaches of France against 84,000 Germans. This was 175,000 Allied troops in 5,000 ships. The World War II, landing at Utah, Oma, Sword, Juno, Normandy. The longest day it is called. Try to read history. In the first day itself, there were 10,000 Americans who died. I have personally seen the cemetery in Normandy of these Americans. And in one of the gravestones, there is a name inscribed as Private Tom. And there's a story about Private Tom. So there was his friend, a sergeant, and they were both at the Normandy fighting the war. Sergeant went running to save his friend Tom, Private Tom, who was bullet-ridden, fell down in a trench, no way to come back, almost dying, fatally wounded. The lieutenant in charge told the sergeant, "Don't go and save Tom because he's already dead and you will lose your life too. It's not worth it." The sergeant ran and came back with Tom, but he was dead. The lieutenant said, "Sergeant, I told you, what was the point of risking your own life for somebody who was already dead? Was it worth it?" Do you know what the sergeant replied? He said, "Sir, when I went running against the mines and the bullets into that trench, Tom was alive." And what did Tom say? "Sir," he said, "I knew you will keep your word that you will come back for me. And therefore, Lieutenant Sir, it was well worth it." The story I'm telling you is not about the World War II or about mines and war in Normandy. This story is about loyalty. This story is about responsibility. This story is about comradeship. This story is about keeping your word. So remember, you all have to be those sergeants of your life. You all have to make sure that you are all together. You support each other as a team. You include every person, not only in your school and workplace, but in your life. And trust me, the moment you decide to be the sergeants of your life, your entire life is sorted and successful. And that's my word to you, my dear students. Godspeed, do well, and look forward to meet you soon. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I'm sure that our Highlanders will adhere to the advice given by you. Taking forward the tradition of dedication and sincerity to become front runners of a new era, let us wish the members of the new council the very best for the upcoming year. With this, the investiture ceremony comes to a close, and I, on behalf of the entire Scottish High family, would like to thank all the parents for gracing this occasion and giving us their valuable time. Once again, heartiest congratulations to all. Thank you everyone and have a wonderful day ahead.